Hello, I'm John C., the Astro Geezer. Welcome to my astronomical observatory for another episode of Astronomy for Rank Amateurs. Join me now as we embark on a visual journey that will take us 2.5 million light years from Earth. Tonight, we are going to visit the most distant deep sky object that our naked eye can discern in the night sky. Tonight, we will visit the Andromeda Galaxy. Come with me now as we explore this beautiful and mysterious deep sky object and learn a little more about it. This is a view of the most distant deep sky object our naked eye can discern in the night sky. It appears as a faint, elongated smudge in the constellation of Andromeda, from which it gets its name. The Andromeda Galaxy isn't difficult to locate in the night sky, especially in autumn and November when it appears high overhead in the mid-latitudes of America. To find it, first locate the distinctive W-shaped constellation of Cassiopeia. The right side of Cassiopeia's W points almost directly at the Andromeda Galaxy. For centuries, astronomers observed this faint nebulous object in the Andromeda constellation and assumed it was a nebula inside the constellation itself. In the 18th century, Charles Messier classified the object as M31 in his Messier catalog. It was called the Andromeda Nebula. It retained that title all the way into the 20th century, when in 1923, famous astronomer Edwin Hubble proved that the Andromeda Nebula was actually a separate galaxy far outside of our own Milky Way galaxy. Hubble's discovery revolutionized the science of cosmology. The Milky Way was no longer considered the entire universe, but merely a very, very small part of it. The Andromeda Galaxy is about 2.5 million light years away. Truly a galaxy far, far away. Or is it? Astronomically speaking, not really. In fact, astronomically speaking, Andromeda is our next door neighbor. It is so close, in fact, that gravitational attraction is pulling the Milky Way galaxy and the Andromeda galaxy together. It is estimated they will merge into one super galaxy in about 4.5 billion years. Like the Milky Way, Andromeda is a spiral galaxy that is about twice the size of our Milky Way galaxy. Andromeda stretches over about 250,000 light years in diameter and contains over 1 trillion stars. Andromeda's central black hole is about 100 million times the mass of our Sun, and it is about 20 times more massive than the Milky Way's central black hole. NASA researchers have identified 26 possible stellar black holes in Andromeda Galaxy. A stellar black hole is what a supermassive star becomes when it exhausts its hydrogen fuel and collapses in on itself. This photograph was taken by the Astro in July of 2025. Look at it closely. Besides Andromeda, there are two more galaxies clearly visible in the photograph. The galaxy visible in the top left corner of the photograph is M110, a dwarf elliptical satellite galaxy of Andromeda. It contains about 10 billion stars. It is notable because it has patches of dust and young blue stars in its inner core, which is unusual for an elliptical galaxy. M110 is about 2.7 million light years from Earth. M32, shown here just to the right of Andromeda, is another dwarf elliptical satellite galaxy. It is about 2.49 million light years away from Earth. It is about 6,500 light years in diameter. M32 has a compact core with a very dense central region. It is primarily composed of very old stars, and it is no longer forming new stars because it contains very little gas or dust. The current state of M32 is probably due to the strong gravitational forces of nearby Andromeda Galaxy acting on it. M31, the Andromeda Galaxy, is truly a beautiful and mysterious deep sky object to behold. I hope you have enjoyed this episode of Astronomy for Rank Amateurs with your host, the Astro Geezer. Join us next time as we explore the beauty and the mysteries of deep sky objects in our wonderful universe. I am John C., the Astro Geezer, wishing you a starry night.